Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Oakdale local and long-distance movers near me. We make sure your long-distance move happens on schedule without worry. Choosing our crew to help you means your cross-country move will go without problems. Our moving solutions give you all of the right options to individualize your move for your particular requirements. If you're searching for a general move or a full-service move, we provide all the choices you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent prices. It's not always simple to justify the price when hiring a California moving company. When you look at the major advantages you get, the price may be much easier to manage. You get the advantage of saving time on your local move, which may be well worth it. Movers can also ensure you don't need to handle any of the heavy lifting. Our moving crew will make it very easy to get to your new location without nearly as much concern. 3Movers understands how to improve your move. A move that may take you all weekend to finish, we can handle in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oakdale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.